To my YouTube channel. My name is Mueni. If you are new here, you are most welcome and thank you for joining the family. For all my new viewers and all my new subscribers, welcome. This is the latest family in town right now. Anyway guys, so as you guys know, I was obsessed with this bag when I bought it. I was extremely obsessed with it. A couple of friends of mine complimented me on the bag and I was like extremely excited. So one of them was like, can I get the bag in black? And I was like, they're actually out of stock right now. So I went and talked with a guy from the shop and he told me that there's actually a package that's coming. So we can see what to do. So as you guys know, this is actually the best dealer in Eastleigh for this bag. So that day it was actually raining, I couldn't vlog, it was a lot going on. So I got the bag and I actually got it in 2 more colors. I am extremely excited. So you guys remember this bag, yeah? So oh yeah, this is actually the string that I actually use as a belt because this is actually the bag. This is the prettiest bag that I have, but now there's competition. I have this in 2 more colors. First color that I got, I'll give you the contact details and the name of the shop after I'm done with this video. It's given what? It's given, you know, it's given all the things that you want in life. It's given champagne towers, it's given like all that. So this is actually a string that you can actually pull out as the green one. I use it as a belt because, well, I'm fire. Well, it is what it is. Anyway guys, so this is actually the bag that I got. It's actually in good brown. So I'm trying to change my closet into more neutrals because I'm the person who always keeps complaining, you know, I don't know what to wear, but I have a ton of clothes in my closet, so we gotta change that. We gotta change that. On to the last. This video is gonna be short. Oh no, I'm gonna actually insert it in a vlog because there's more to come. I got it in black because it is what it is. So I got it in black. I'm pretty excited. Like this gives you know, no one is poor in this room. This gives all that. So I really like the quality of the bags. I like how they've stitched like this, but I don't know why it's giving me like, you know, you can like remove the stitches, but I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? So it actually also has a string, but when you carry it with a string, then the vibe of the bag won't be what you're saying, what you want. So this is actually the reason as to why I told you guys I use the strings as belts because I can. Anyway guys, so in black, y'all remember these neutral bags that I got on my other vlog, on my Kempinski vlog. Actually, if you haven't watched that vlog, you really need to watch that vlog. So that is actually the place where I also have numbers for like Abdi. Oh yeah, my dealer is called Abdi. So he's actually a bag I got from him and it was pretty amazing. I'm also going to tell you the price of the bags as soon as I'm done. What the hell is this? I have OCD. What do we have in here? I cleared these bags weeks ago. My shades. Well. Anyway guys, I didn't even know where these were. So I also got the bag in black. And well, this one is loaded. It was actually at the main door awaiting to go out. So yeah, this is actually the bag. I also got it in black. So I also got a couple of other things, but let me tell y'all, I forgot to take a video of the items I got at Homebox KE. I actually got a clock and a utensil rack, and this is yani, I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but it is what it is. So here are actually the bags. I'm pretty excited. So these bags, when you get it in wholesale, it's 1100, but when you get it elsewhere, it's like close to 3200. I'm not saying that you shouldn't promote other dealers, but I'm just saying my dealer is better than them all. 1100, that's 22. For this one, for the other green bag also, I got it from 1100. This I got it for 900 because I bought the two like this, so this was a good 1800. And yeah, I think that's basically it. I don't know any other dealers that you guys are looking for in Nairobi, but actually Abdi is the best one in town. I think now let's jump on to the next episode of this vlog. You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, I am extremely excited. I am so excited. This is my first, okay, let me not spoil the fun, but I'm so thankful. So y'all know that I'm doing long distance, so my fiance is around. He's in town. So he just came right in time for my birthday, and this is the craziest thing, but I'm so glad. Like, I mean, the things he's got me. So I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys, and I'll start off with the most least to the best. I don't want to say that, but I want to start with the tiniest thing to the biggest things. So first off, I'm always obsessed with the vitamin C. It helps my skin glow. Like, it's pretty amazing. So he got me a bunch of them. So here, this is actually from CVS, I'm thinking. So this is actually a facial moisturizer that he actually left last time he came. So it's finally here, and I'm pretty excited because, I mean, who doesn't need lotions when you travel here and there? And he actually got me a Neutrogena Retinol Pro, so we are not aging anytime soon. You guys know what I'm saying. So yeah, this is for deep wrinkles, which I have them like over here, you see, like under my eyes, and stubborn dark spots. So this is all you actually need. So this is actually for cleansing, treating, and also like for moisturizing. So let's see actually what's inside. Ooh, it looks pretty amazing. And it was filthy. Actually, it was on the higher side. I didn't expect it to be on that side because we were actually shopping with him before the things came here. So another thing that he got me was actually these shoes that I've been wanting. So they're just like normal sneakers, and they are fitting in perfectly. They are so cozy, and the inside they have a silicone rubber for like ankle support. Like, this is pretty amazing. Like, when I tell you guys, I'm now starting to get obsessed with shopping abroad. This is it. You can never find a shoe in Kenya that has like silicone ankle support. So yeah, came in a pair, obviously. Okay, these were pretty on the high side. I didn't expect that. So the next thing that this man got me, a candle. So he got me two candles actually. So this was a very tough decision because the candle that I really wanted, actually it came, but then he had to return it because it came in broken. So it was a candle from Zara Home. So it was the big one. Oh goodness, it smells like a bunch of roses. Let me finish open it. This is actually from LAB, and they have a silicone top. This is so amazing. Like, this guy knows my love language, but it is what it is. I'm lucky. So this is bergamot rose. Yeah, it smells like roses. And masks. So green apple, crimson roses with a swirl and fragrance of lilies, and white masks. These only went for $12. Yeah, these only went for $12, and like, it's so big. It's so amazing. It's so cute. I love the rose, the gold rose. Is it called a gold rose or just a rose? So this is actually the next. and it has 1 week. The other one has 2 weeks. So this one has 1, and this other one, it actually has 2. So comparing them, I just wanted white, but then small and big one. Like, this guy understands the sun mats. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, so yeah, this is golden amber, and it actually smells. It smells like I don't know, just sandalwood. I don't know. Yeah, it smells like that. So yeah. The next thing he got me, you guys know that I have this smartwatch that I always wear, the rose gold one. But then I really wanted a normal watch, like just a normal, like I was so tired of that one, so I really wanted a normal watch, and I didn't even mention it. But then voila. Here it came. If I tell you I'm excited, it is actually an understatement. It is actually an understatement. So I actually had trouble opening it, but I went to the bathroom, I went to the kitchen actually. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. He finally got me a watch. This is a birthday present. I'm so happy, guys. Look at the quality. Like, yeah. Okay. Let's see if it fits. Yay. It's so sweet. It actually fits, guys. It actually fits. I'll just be talking like this, you know. You guys have to see my watch. So you can actually adjust it, but then I'll get to read the instructions later. But I'm so happy. So the next thing is this throw pillow. So this is actually called a weighted. This is actually the reason as to why this suitcase, it's so heavy. So he got me, this was actually, he actually got it last time, but then because of time, it actually arrived later than expected. But then it has a nice blue, guys. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. Is that sand? What did they put inside? Okay. So, made in New York City. It's so heavy. Extremely heavy. Whoa. Okay. So, yeah. And now, on to our final thingy. So, you guys know that my birthday is coming soon. So I got 2 cards. I haven't read them yet. So guys, my birthday is actually very soon. Like, my birthday is on 29th. My birthday is on Friday. So I got 2 letters. And I am like so happy. I am like, the words in it are very touching, and they're like stroking just inside my heart. So yeah, let me just read them for a minute. I love you. And then he wrote his name. I love you too. So this is actually the reason as to I shot this video, because, well, this man got me a designer suitcase for y'all. I'm so done with you people, but let me show you. So my suitcase is actually from Paris. It was brought in. So here it is. It's from Eastleigh. Y'all see? Yeah. So my suitcase is actually from Eastleigh. I am extremely excited about this whole situation, and I know there's more to come before he leaves, and my birthday is also coming soon, so I am pretty impressed, and you know, it is what it is. But then guys, that is actually the only unboxing that I had to do for you guys, because, well, I was too excited not to shoot this video. So here we are. But if you haven't subscribed up to this point, please make sure you subscribe, and also please make sure you like this video, share this video with your friends, and tell me the best gift that you think is nice, or the one that you liked. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, comment in the comment section down below which was your best gift that you think he got me. Bye.